Hey folks, just time for a little update and a little bit of a science experiment today. So on the TMD section we've got some ballasting done, a few more buildings. I've made a nice little gatehouse there, ready for when we get the roads and things in place. So we've got like a road here, gates, car park, TMD, ballasting done now. That's all good in place, a fuel point. Got the back seam boards there, just need a back seam putting on them. And we go, but the main reason for today's little effort is we're going to give this a try. It's electric paint, and I'm going to try and use it to essentially fix the issue with this point here. Now, heat expansion has caused a failure. It doesn't really press with any, you can just see a little gap there. You've really got to press up against it now to get it to conduct power all the way down here. And of course up there. Now, even though I've got a power feed there and a power feed here, there's nothing going up there. It relies solely on the power feed here from this rail and that rail which comes from there, which at the minute it isn't getting, which we'll demonstrate now. We'll just start the little ginty up, which I've just added sound to. I took the sound file from the old Tornado because, bless it, it just won't run on this layout. The curves are too tight for it, so it's relegated for the minute. So we'll get it started. Bit of coal. There we are. You'll see what I made in a minute. Let me get it going. Just set it going. And if I play the sound of the horn, we can hear that the signal's getting through for the DCC. So we'll keep pressing the horn. But when it gets to this middle bit here, you'll notice that the power, it won't respond. See? Isn't responding at all. Now eventually the stay alive will die, and so will the loco. There you go. So we'll stop that there for now. And we'll get some of the paint on. I don't know if you can see here, so what we need to do is get power from this rail, which has a power feed going in there, across to that rail. Because that little bit, that works fine, nice and clean. It's got good contact. And it's also got a power feed going to it somewhere along here, I think. So rather than getting my soldering iron out and drilling through the board, what we're going to do is take a bit of this, do a little line of it from there to there. It's black, and the idea is you can then paint over it and put scenics over it. So let's give it our best to do this. You can't really see it that well down there, but we're going to get a bit of the paint on the rail. And then connect the paint, and essentially we're going to draw a circuit with it. Just like that. And then join it up to that rail there. So that's all on there now. Good bit of connectivity there. Obviously it'd be easier just to run the soldering iron, but at the minute I can't be arsed. Now, I don't know how conductive it is when it's still wet. I imagine not very, so we'll just try it quickly while it's wet. See what happens. Same test as before. There you go. Responding to the signal of the DCC input. See what happens, if anything. Nothing yet. No. Nothing yet. I'll have to wait till it dries. See what happens then.